several areas in Colorado, May 31st, 2024.
Jesus, crazy. It just went through the window. Huh? Idaho Falls. Okay. Idaho, yeah. My car's destroyed.
Okay, this is the front yard. Look at this. Oh my gosh.
Severe thunderstorms pounded parts of Denver, Aurora, Adams, and Arapahoe counties Thursday night. Hail broke Green Valley Ranch residents' car and truck window. First Alert chief meteorologist says the hail and heavy rain stretched from Glendale, East Denver, and Aurora to Deer Trail. He says the hail may have stretched for up to 80 miles. One area near Deer Trail may have gotten as much as 6 inches of rain. On Thursday night, the metro was slammed with damaging hail and a slew of rain. The Pinpoint weather team said the hail moved in quickly and impacted cities like Denver, Thornton, and Commerce City. The largest hailstone recorded from Thursday night's storm was in Commerce City, where a 2.75-inch stone was found. According to NWS, 2.75 inches is comparable to a baseball. That hailstone can cause some serious damage. Normally, hailstones range from 1/4 to 1/2 an inch. Several spotters recorded hailstones that were an inch, which is about the size of a quarter and considered uncommon. To have baseball-sized hail recorded is considered very rare. Friday rounds out the month of May with mild conditions. Storms return to Colorado, but they will mostly be focused along the plains, including Thornton, Broomfield, and Northglenn. According to the National Weather Service in Boulder, many other locations recorded hail more than an inch in diameter. The hail smashed car windows, shredded gardens, dinged vehicles, and damaged home sidings. Blankets of ice still covered the ground in some areas of northeast Denver on Friday morning. Barbara, Colorado resident, jolted awake Thursday night to the roar of hail hammering her home in Denver's Congress Park neighborhood. The golf ball-sized hail smashed through a skylight in her entryway, leaving it mostly destroyed. Rain and hail came through the holes, dousing her home. On Friday, she contacted her insurance company and arranged for someone to temporarily tarp the skylight. She raked up the sidewalk and checked the damage on her garden, which was fairly unscathed. Her car was dinged, even though it was parked under a tree. The hailstorm was one of the worst in the more than 50 years she's lived in Colorado. The storm will likely be one of the more destructive hail events in Denver history, but it's a little early to tell until damage can be assessed, Bernie Meyer with the National Weather Service in Boulder said Friday morning. The storm was one of the largest in the metro area since a massive storm in May 2017 that caused more than $2 billion in damage. The blast of hail started around 9 p.m. in some areas and forced motorists to hide under gas station pavilions. Aurora police reported damaged cars and buildings and scrambled to respond to a rash of security alarms set off by the storm. More severe weather is possible Friday afternoon, according to NWS.
I thought I got a crack in my windshield. Oh, my poor...
Large hail, damaging winds, and heavy rain are possible from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. east of the main urban core, from Greeley to Colorado Springs. Areas southeast of Denver will have the highest chance for severe storms, Meyer said. Chances for storms will increase if temperatures warm later in the day, and chances will decrease if weather remains cool and cloudy as it was Friday morning, he said. Early storms firing over the mountains and then heading over the I-25 corridor and then to the eastern plains. The Storm Prediction Center has increased the chance of severe weather today across eastern Colorado, with eastern El Paso County and most of the eastern plains in a slight risk, 2 out of 5. for severe weather. Today's risks again include large hail and damaging winds as well as frequent lightning. While the chance is low, a brief spin-up tornado is possible later today over the eastern plains, mainly north of US 50 and east of I-25. I would suggest staying weather aware this afternoon in case any storm in our region does pulse up and produce large hail. Storms do look to remain isolated though.
I moved my truck into the garage. Hopefully it's not too much. Hopefully there's no damage.
Yesterday, parts of southern Colorado Springs saw large hail, while others saw nothing. It'll be the same situation today. After a severe thunderstorm left a path of destructive hail across the Denver metro area from Broomfield to Aurora, more severe weather is possible Friday. Severe thunderstorms are forecast for the Denver area, Front Range and eastern Colorado Friday afternoon and evening.